Impact results analysis. The cosmic equivalent of hitting a home run when you were just trying to bunt. When the dust literally settled after DART's kamikaze mission, astronomers pointing their telescopes at Dimorphos couldn't believe what they were seeing. The Hubble Space Telescope and ground-based observatories worldwide detected something that made every planetary scientist do a double-take. This wasn't the gentle tap they had modeled in their computers. The asteroid's orbital period had shifted by an astronomical 32 minutes, not the modest 73 seconds they had predicted. That's like expecting to move a boulder an inch and accidentally launching it across the parking lot. But here's where the real detective work began. The impact results analysis revealed that Dimorphos had essentially turned into a temporary comet, spewing out a massive debris plume that acted like a natural rocket engine. This wasn't just impact physics. This was discovering that asteroids could become their own propulsion systems when hit just right. The momentum transfer was 26 times greater than expected, meaning NASA had accidentally stumbled upon a planetary defense cheat code. Scientists frantically recalculated everything they thought they knew about asteroid deflection, realizing that a relatively small spacecraft could potentially redirect city-destroying space rocks with far less effort than anyone had dared hope. The implications were staggering. Humanity's cosmic insurance policy had just gotten a massive upgrade, and all it took was one perfectly executed space crash.